fourth generation in business. Shri Digambar Kamatji would be presenting this award to Shri Dheeraj Lal Mangalji.
Thank you.
While we have our chief guest already with Shri Dheeraj Lalji, who has been a great inspirational success. Landing in Goa at the age of 14, he has set up the empire of DMC company since 1944 and has been a pioneer in getting many Gujaratis to Goa. He has always been a great philanthropist and support to all the Gujaratis. Felicitate him with the Lifetime Achievement Award. For the spirit he has shown by gracing this occasion at this age of 91 years, I think he deserves a standing round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our MLA is presenting Shri Dheeraj Lal Ragani with a memorable plaque that was handcrafted only with a chisel and hammer. This plaque was being made in Goa by the God-gifted stone artist Shri Narendra Hanswal, as you can see on the screen behind us.
Good evening to ladies and gentlemen. Actually, I have wrote a small note in Gujarati language, but today people are more, they prefer to speak in English. So I don't know whether I should make translation of what I have written.
No, speak in Gujarati, uncle.
Shall I
Speak in Gujarati.
continue Gujarati?
Kamal Sahib also understands.
Thank you very much. Jai Shri Krishna. તરફથી ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન. શ્રી મડગાંવ સમાજને 60 વર્ષ પૂરા થયા છે. ત્યારે સોરી મારી ઉંમર 90 ક્રોસ થઈ ગયા છે. બટ એનીવે આઈ એમ હાલમાં મુખ્ય કાર્યકર્તા કમિટીના શ્રી અરમાનભાઈ બેંકે તથા એમના સાથીઓને મારા અભિનંદન. ચાલો આપણે બધા આવા સુંદર કાર્ય કરતા રહીએ. મુખ્ય કહેવાનું તો ભૂલી જવાય છે. ભાઈ શ્રી મુકેશભાઈ સાગલાણી એક ખરા સેવક તરીકે, એક ભાઈ નામ યાદ નથી પણ શ્રી મગનલાલ મોહનજી કાનજી દીવવાળા પોતે મોઝમ્બિકમાં હતા અને અમે બી ત્યાં હતા. મૂળ તે ભાઈ એ મૂંગા બેરાની સ્કૂલ સમાજ સેવા શરૂ કરી છે. તેને ઉપર લાવવામાં મહત્વનો ફાળો શ્રી મુકેશભાઈને જાય છે. ગોવા સરકારની મદદથી આ સંસ્થા સારી બનાવી છે અને માનવ સેવા કહેવાય આને. માનવ સેવા એટલે પ્રભુ સેવા. સૌનો આભારી છું. અમને આ પ્રસંગે ગોવાના ML મિસ્ટર કામતે આ બધું મને માન આપ્યું છે, એના માટે હું ખૂબ આભારી છું. બસ બીજું કંઈ ખાસ યાદ નથી આવતું. બધાને મારા નમસ્તે. જય ભારત.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing this occasion.
Beautiful, huh?
Sorry, I can't stay more time. I want to take care.
Thank you so much.
At ISRO, please welcome her on the stage અને તાળીઓનો ગડગડાટ સતત વાગતો રહેવો જોઈએ.
To his parents. Lastly, we would like to appreciate and felicit
We are celebrating 60th celebration Diamond Jubilee. It's a very big celebration, I think, getting into Diamond Jubilee with 6 decades of time period. It's almost close to our liberation time. Goa has been liberated now 63 years, and Gujarati Samaj Madgaon Goa is celebrating 60th year. So that's a very big coincidence, and it shows that how much deeply Gujarati Samaj is connected with Goa. On the days, we have our present here because one is definitely the culture that Gujarati have. It's a well-known culture globally, like the Garba that was presented, and Bhai told that Gujarati can be adaptable to anything and everything in the world. And that's really that we witness in each and every part of the world. And I'm very proud to be here today. Right from cultural evening to the great personalities that we have witnessed today, the philanthropists, the businessmen, the talent the students have. It's a great mix and match in the Gujarati people, which always inspires the other communities, I feel. And all of us being in Goa, it gives a great, interrelationship confidence, which is very much necessary for India to function as a nation. And it's a great backbone. Wherever Gujaratis are there, I think they create a great impact. Allowing me to talk a few words. All the best and have a good evening. Thank you.
Jyoti Thakkar.
for Sri Nilesh Shah.
With due permission of our honorable dignitaries, we wish to invite our special students to tie handmade Rakhis to our honorable MLA Sri Digambar Kamath and Chairman Sri Rajendra Talak and Mukesh Bhai Saglani to celebrate Raksha Bandhan, seeking blessings as they embrace self-reliance and creativity. Together we are building a future where every student can shine and contribute to our community. Thank you.
And Suchita Malekar. Along with their teachers, Srimati Kaushika
मध्ये आहे ना का
લેડીઝ એન્ડ જેન્ટલમેન,
જ્યોતિ પોણજી સૌને
ધીરુભાઈએ કીધું એમ હું પણ થોડું ગુજરાતીમાં જ બોલીશ, કારણ કે આપણે બધા અહીંયા ગુજરાતી હાજર છીએ અને આપણા દિગંબર બાબ અને બધાને ગુજરાતી સમજી શકે છે. બોલી ન શકે અલગ વસ્તુ, પણ દે કેન રિયલી અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ એવરીથિંગ. આઈ નો દેટ બીકોઝ દિગંબર બાબ હેઝ બીન એસોસિએટેડ વિથ ગુજરાતી સમાજ, આઈ ડોન્ટ નો, સિન્સ એજીસ આઈ શુડ સે. એનીવે, ગુજરાતી સમાજ આજે 60 વર્ષ ઉજવે છે. 1964માં ગુજરાતી સમાજનું ગઠન થયું હતું. એ પછી ત્યારે જે બીજ વવાણું આજે 60 વર્ષનું મોટું વટવૃક્ષ થયું છે. અને ત્યાર પછી ગુજરાતી સમાજના મેમ્બરોએ એક ટ્રસ્ટ બનાવીને એક સ્કૂલ ચાલુ કરી, ગુજરાતી સમાજ એજ્યુકેશનલ ટ્રસ્ટ. That trust has also completed 41 years today, now, this year. So it's a big achievement. આપણે કહીએ ગુજરાતી આરંભે સુરા, સમજી ગયા છો, ઇટ્સ ઓન અ લાઇટર નોટ. એન્ડ ઇવન HP, I should not be saying that HP is not Hindustan Petroleum, પણ આપણે હરક પદુડા કહીએ છીએ કે ચાલુ કરીએ બધું, પણ ગોવાના ગુજરાતી એમાંના નથી. We start something and we see that we take it to the logical conclusion, and for that a big round of applause to all of us here in the auditorium and all the Gujaratis all around in Goa. તેમજ ગુજરાતી સમાજનું ત્રીજું અંગ જાગૃતિ મહિલા મંડળ, એમણે પણ હમણાં 20 વર્ષ સેલિબ્રેટ કર્યા છે. So it is 20, 40 and 60. So big round of applause for them also. It will not be out of place to thank the members of Jagruti Mahila Mandal here, all the members, all the past committees. Generally em kehvaય છે કે ladies they are economical in spending money, but in our case it was different. The ladies of Margaon Jagruti Mahila Mandal have donated 5 lakh rupees to Gujarati Samaj Educational Trust Special School. I thank you very much for them also. Coming back to our school, it's a long history. I have been the committee member for continuous 38 years. Out of 60 years, 38 years I have been a committee member, leaving aside 2 years in between. And out of that 38 years, 14 years I was the president at a stretch of Gujarati Samaj. Subsequently, being a founder trustee, I had the honor and privilege to be the chairman of the Educational Trust Special School. And last 14 years I have been serving the trust as the chairman of the Gujarati Samaj Educational Trust at a stretch. All this is possible only with the help, support and blessings of all the members of our Gujarati Samaj Margaon and across Goa all the Samaj people also. Not forgetting the donors who have been very humble and helping for this noble cause through their CRE programs year by year. Challenge. We have got qualified physiotherapists, speech therapists. We have got totally 27 special educators, 27, and non-teaching staff are 12. So almost 39 staff members. We are an aided school, aided by Government of Goa. It was really depressing, not depressing, but 2 days back, Mr. Vijay Sardesai said he cannot make it due to last moment program. Then now we were waiting for Honorable Chief Minister to come first. For us, he is the Chief Minister here because he has been supporting Gujarati Samaj, all the branches of Gujarati Samaj in all the ways possible. So we are thankful to you, sir, for all your help. The school has trained in various type of games, and our school has been representing India at World Olympics, Special Olympics held world over every time. Our students had the privilege and honor of visiting South Korea, China, Japan, US, and more recently Berlin in 2024, where one of our students represented India. They have won medals for the country and we are proud. All of us should be proud of them. Not only the medals, the Goa government was kind enough to declare cash prizes to these winners of the medals. The gold medal winner was awarded 5 lakh rupees, silver was given 3 lakhs, and bronze was given 1 lakh. One of our students, he had won in 3 different types of games and he managed to, he got a cash award of 11 lakh rupees. It's a big money for these children. The other child got 8 lakh rupees. One of the child got 5 lakh rupees. Our students, unfortunately, the students in our school, 95% of the children are coming from a very, very poor family background. And this type of support from the government means a lot. Government is doing a lot for these special children, and definitely lot needs to be done in future also. And I'm sure our Honorable MLA and Chief Minister, he has been helping us out all the time and whenever we have got some issues with the government, and we'll try and tide all the difficulties. We have started another project in 2015, Gujarati Samaj it's a Rehabilitation and Employment Center for the Disabled. The total cost of the project was planned at that time was 13 crores. The first phase is 8 crores. It is adjacent to the current school where we are located, and both the new building and the old building is going to be interlinked. The first phase, out of 8 crores, we have managed to complete the work of almost 5.5 crores. That is, I should say 75 to 80% work has been completed. But unfortunately, due to COVID, economic slowdown and lots of other factors, the building couldn't be completed. Now we are in talks with certain NGOs, some of all your good wishes of all the Samaj members. We should be able to restart the project by end of this year hopefully, and complete the first phase at least in next 6 to 8 months after that. Apart from that, we are in talk with the government of Goa for a certain proposal which we have already, the proposal is in the final stages of approval from CM's office, and if I'm sure that will go through. When it goes through, Gujarati Samaj Educational Trust will be self-sufficient and will not be needing any donations from anybody. Whatever donations come, they will be welcome, but they will be self-sufficient and will be able to provide much, much better facilities to our special children. There are lots of ideas which are there, but unfortunately due to space constraints, you can say financial constraints, we are not able to fulfill all these things. But once this proposal on what we are working, when it goes through, definitely it will be a big achievement for our trust.
Yatin Parekh.
Some more excitement.
A small announcement I would like to make is on the occasion of its 25th anniversary. તાળીઓનો ગડગડાટ સતત ને સતત રહેવો જોઈએ.
Sri Gujarati Samaj Marga and for the Sri Jivanlal Gandhi family.
Of Samaj for 60+ years.
School has also been awarded the best NGO by the government of Goa 3 times, not once, not twice, but thrice. Family for being members of the Samaj for 60+ years. Samaj for over 60 years, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow. Salwani brothers, a perfect, picture perfect frame.
Sri Digambar Kamatji to take me on standing for this very, very fast schedule to be with us today. Rajendra Savatji, who's made available this wonderful auditorium to us to host this wonderful event. Have the medical camp and the blood donation drive earlier today, allowing our businesses to showcase for the Busalia family.
Thank you. Matle hai na, mare ke hai na.
And Shri Paresh Shah as well as Shri Mukesh Shah to an award for late Shri Mohan Bhai Gajra. Shri Rajesh Patel, please be ready.